controversial as well. Armed men.
Yes, I know you're
No,
gonna.
this is following the
What's
shooting
hard?
death of someone on a church compound on Sunday. Now, teachers at Eltham High School in Spanish Town are currently having a sit-down demonstration to protest inadequate security measures at the school after armed men entered the institution yesterday. They say they're fed up and they need better security as the armed men, as well as a current student and former students, entered the compound in an attempt to attack another student.
Okay.
The teachers say incidents of this nature happen too often. It is believed that the incident began in devotion when two students got into a fight and one called his friends for backup.
Oh, that's. Wow.
So you in our school, and the next thing you know,
Wow.
gunmen are on the compound.
Wow.
And former students, current students. Sounds a little bit like another
Call
school
for backup, a police.
where it ended tragically on that compound. So the teachers continue to call for
Help.
help.
And they're dealing with enough in the classroom to have to also act as their own security.
And I want to say, you know, these are school students. Well, it's former students, same colors. I was going to say, big man, you walk into a school compound to attack a student. Nothing big about that. Nothing big about that. It's a child. You walk into the school compound. But conflict, we have to resolve conflict. You fight, first of all, in a devotion.
In devotion, I thought that was rich.
Devotion is supposed to be the moment when everybody's supposed to be at least facing the day with some kind of calm
Peace.
and centered and focused, and you're fighting in devotion. Well, from your fight in devotion, we're going.
But this culture,
That's where it goes from
culture
there.
of anger, though, that seems to be becoming so pervasive in our schools. What is that? What is that culture
It's in our
of
society, so it leak over.
a microcosm?
Yes, the children hear us. The children witness how we speak to each other. The children see how we resolve conflict, and in their mind, this is how conflict is to be resolved. You know, they're in the buses, they're in the taxis. This is, wow.
Very sad. We're glad no one was hurt,
Yeah.
and it ended where it did. But teachers, if they don't feel safe, they have to take these measures to see if they can get some protection. So
And then
we
you
understand that.
Yes, and that's on the compound. What happens when the students leave the compound? You know what I mean? This issue. Well, last night I read that Matthew Samuda has been sworn in and will be joining the Ministry of National Security portfolio. So, any step to improve national security, I am for it. So Mr. Samuda going there is going to make it get a little bit more attention, a little bit more policy implementation, whatever is necessary to solve this problem. Kudos to him, and I definitely wish him all the best, because crime don't pick sides. Crime don't pick sides. So let's